How to fix GTA V activation code error on Epic Games. Welcome back to Tenebalta. During our recent deep dive diagnostics, our technical team identified a frustrating issue where Grand Theft Auto V suddenly demands an activation code on the Epic Games platform, often accompanied by a black screen during the Rockstar authentication process. Tenebalta's analysis revealed that this usually happens after a background update breaks the handshake between the two launchers. We have extensively tested and confirmed a comprehensive series of solutions to completely eradicate this error. Let us walk you through our definitive troubleshooting guide. 1. Complete Rockstar Launcher removal. Our testing showed that a corrupted Rockstar Games Launcher is the primary culprit behind the activation code loop. Navigate to your Windows control panel, select Programs and Features, and completely uninstall the Rockstar Games Launcher along with the Rockstar Games Social Club. Do not manually delete the game files. Only remove the launcher applications to prepare for a fresh installation. 2. Epic Games Verification Protocol. After running our diagnostics, we found that forcing Epic Games to redownload the necessary framework is the safest recovery method. Open your Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, click the three dots next to Grand Theft Auto V, and select Manage followed by Verify. Once the verification completes, Epic Games will automatically fetch and install a pristine, unbroken version of the Rockstar Games Launcher. 3. Account synchronization check. The activation error frequently triggers when the digital handshake between your profiles drops. Launch the newly installed Rockstar application and sign in carefully. Ensure your Epic Games account is firmly linked to your Rockstar Social Club profile within the account settings to re-establish your digital entitlement. 4. Purging the Social Club documents folder. During our investigation, lingering cache files in the user directory often interfered with the new login process. Navigate to your Documents folder, find the Rockstar Games directory, and completely delete the Social Club folder inside it. This forces the game to generate clean configuration files upon your next launch. 5. Clearing the Epic Games Webcache. Tenebalta's technical team discovered that a bloated webcache in the Epic Games Launcher can disrupt server authentication. Press the Windows key and R, type %localappdata%, and hit Enter to access your local directories. Locate the Epic Games Launcher folder, open the saved directory, and delete the webcache folders entirely. 6. Elevating administrative privileges. Sometimes, standard user permissions block the game from reading the digital entitlement token from the operating system. Right-click on both the Epic Games Launcher and Rockstar Games Launcher executable files, then navigate to Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator and apply the changes. 7. Network DNS flush. We have confirmed that stale network caches can cause the black screen issue right after the verification code is sent. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushtons before hitting Enter. This clears your local DNS resolver cache, ensuring a direct and unhindered connection to Rockstar's authentication servers. 8. Transitioning to public DNS servers. If the default ISP routing fails to connect to Rockstar services securely, changing your domain name system is a highly effective workaround. Go to your network adapter settings, access the IP4 properties, and manually set your DNS to Google's public servers using 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8, 8, 4, 4. Apply the settings and restart your network adapter to bypass regional routing blocks. 9. Purging local app data leftovers. Our deep dive testing revealed that hidden telemetry data can sometimes cause conflicts during the launcher initialization. Press Windows key and R, type %localappdata%, and locate the Rockstar Games folder. Delete this folder to remove any residual temporary data that might be stalling the application. 10. Disabling background security interference. Antivirus software and strict firewalls frequently flag the Rockstar background update service as a false positive threat. We recommend temporarily disabling your third-party antivirus shields and the Windows Defender firewall. Launch the game to see if the activation prompt bypasses successfully without security interference. 11. Updating graphics processing drivers. The black screen immediately following the login code input is often a rendering failure rather than a network error. Ensure that your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers are updated to the latest certified release. Use the official manufacturer software to perform a clean installation of the display drivers to rule out video rendering crashes. 12. Synchronizing system time and date. Tenabalta independently verified that an incorrect Windows clock instantly breaks the SSL certificates required for Rockstar's secure login infrastructure. Right-click the clock on your taskbar, select Adjust Date/Time, and toggle the switch to set the time automatically. Click the Sync Now button to align your system perfectly with global time servers. 13. Removing custom command line instructions. Many users utilize a command line text file in their main Grand Theft Auto V installation directory to force specific launch parameters. During our troubleshooting, we found these parameters can prevent the launcher from properly reading the Epic Games entitlement token. Delete any command line text file present in the root game folder to ensure default execution. 14. Reinstalling Visual C++ redistributables. The Rockstar Launcher relies heavily on Microsoft's foundational libraries to execute its backend scripts and interface overlays. Download the latest Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64 architectures from the official Microsoft website. Install or repair these packages and restart your computer to solidify the underlying software framework. 15. Epic Games Server Status Verification. Occasionally, the activation code prompt is a direct symptom of Epic's backend API failing to respond to Rockstar's entitlement query. Before modifying more system files, always check the official Epic Games public status page. If the core services or authentication servers are experiencing an outage, you must wait for their network engineers to stabilize the platform. 16. VPN and proxy deactivation. Virtual private networks can route your login request through blacklisted IP addresses, prompting Rockstar to demand an activation key as an automated security measure. Disconnect any active VPN services and ensure your Windows proxy settings are completely turned off. Launch the game using your direct, raw residential internet connection to ensure a trusted handshake. 17. Performing a clean boot. Conflicting third-party overlay software can hook into the game process and disrupt the launcher's verification sequence. Press Windows key and R, type msconfig, and navigate to the Services tab to hide all Microsoft services. Disable all remaining background services and restart your PC to run a pristine, isolated environment for the game launch. 18. Resetting the WinSock catalog. As a final network-level diagnostic, resetting the Windows Socket API can resolve deep-rooted communication failures between the two individual launchers. Open an elevated command prompt, type netw winsock reset, and press Enter. Reboot your machine one last time to apply this foundational network repair and launch your game without the activation error. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more.